Hi everyone, welcome back once again to another video of OSINT in VIEH group. So usually we come up with a problem statement. So today we have problem. So for example, there is a person which name is Sunil Singh, right? So if you want to search about him, okay, there might be a lot of person who was related to Sumit Singh. So usually what does we do? We do go to Google and find out this name, right? This is the typical scenario what we use to search in terms of searching anyone. Okay, so Sunil Singh is something we have attended, right? So what you get to know, there's a lot of person who is coming. So you don't know what exactly he is doing, what exactly he is doing, what exactly he is doing. So there's a lot of examples. So how to get a summarized form? So we have a search engine which is called People Search Engine, right? Which is WebMe. So let's type out here Sunil Singh. Okay. So we have entered up. Okay, and it's digging out to the web for the public information. So here you can see it's showing us a result. Sunil Singh is an Indian politician, member of West Bengal Legislative Assembly, and whatever. So you can see there is a video who is much more related to Sunil Singh. Okay, and there's a news. Okay, there is something which is related to all those tags, news, X account, as well as there is something else as well. So here the interesting part is you'll get a customized Google search result, right? Sunil Singh, what he is doing, he's a YouTuber. Sunil Singh, what he is doing, it's on Instagram. Okay, the numbers of Hollywood, this is what they have. Okay, and actually you'll get a curated list like this Sunil Singh, the CEO of Unilabs Technology. So what exactly you're looking for? So you might get along with the image as well, like this is the image, okay, and this is the image. So you might find out the person with the image as well, and you can find out a person by using the name and exactly what he is doing, right? So this is going to be a very much helpful. Okay, so just use it out. Here you can see the Google result as well. 1300 1340 is a search result. Okay, so that's what they are showing, right? So this is going to be a game changer for the people those who are doing image search, right? And image search, not image search, it's basically a people search, right? So this is what we can do. Let's try out to search another name. Kumar. Let's keep it M Kumar Cyber. So you'll see a result here, which is like something, it's of the three, and you'll get a lot of result, right? Which is having a keyword M Kumar with it. So by using this tool, you'll get a plenty of information. If you're searching about someone, okay, let's say if there is a let's say if there is any attack, okay, there was a Kisan attack in Delhi, and there's a lot of things which is going in Kumbh as well. So we might having an image, so we may go through with the image search, or if we got to know about the name, like if someone told कि there was a person with the name Sunil Singh, he was beating everyone. You might come here and find out, and you can show him exactly what are the faces you feel like it's the same. So this is going to be very much helpful. So check it out and let me know in the comment box what exactly you feel about this tool. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.